Hi everyone, praise Jesus, and welcome to the number one and the best channel in the whole world. So today we are making a DIY hair oil using cloves, and my cloves I got them from Quick Match at about 211 shillings. They are whole. So we have the powder one, but the powder one is a little bit expensive, so I opted to buy this. So this is how it looks like. So I decided to make this oil basically after watching a couple of videos from YouTube. I think I saw this and watched these videos 2 months ago, but it has taken me time to decide whether I want to do it or not. But finally I said, who am I not to? And as you know guys, I really enjoy doing DIYs for my hair. DIYs are so good when it comes to my hair, and they always never disappoint. So I said I'm gonna try this, and here we are. So basically I'm just grinding the what is it called, I'm grinding the cloves. As you can see, I recommend grinding them because when you use the blender it's not gonna like give you good results, because they are a little bit hard, so it needs something harder to crush it. So this is how it looks like. So basically after grinding, I'm just going ahead to add my favorite natural oils, and as you can see, I am adding olive oil. So olive oil has always been also one of my best oils. I usually use it on a daily basis. And also after adding the olive oil, I am going to mix it with castor oil. Castor oil is my all-time favorite oil when it comes to stimulating hair growth and just making your hair fuller. Castor oil is one of the oils to go to. So that's why I am adding in, and also I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil. So basically I decided to do this video after watching the videos from YouTube, and some people have been sharing good results about making this oil and fixing it to your hair. And at right now I haven't seen anyone sharing maybe if it backfired or it never worked for them. But all the videos I've been able to watch, they are just talking about good results. So that's one of the things that really motivated me to do it. And even besides that, I went ahead and just asked Google, and I saw it has some good benefits for my hair. So I said, who am I not to try this? I have to try it. And here we are. So basically we don't want we do not want the natural nutrients in the oil to be interfered or maybe burn. So basically what I'm doing, I just put some water in a sufuria like that. So the water is boiling on a low heat, and then so you just koroga like that, and then as it gets warmer, that's when you will see it is getting ready. So basically I am going to be a little bit extra. I am going to add in some ginger because I like that smell, and also the way it's gonna like that sensation on my scalp. So that's why I'm gonna add. So some of the benefits of this oil is that it stimulates hair growth. So when you make the oil and you use it to massage your scalp, it will stimulate hair growth and just make your hair to grow. Like it gives your hair a boost when it comes to growing. Also, it solves some scalp issues, issues like itching, and also if you are having problems with dandruff, it will also help you on that. So, and aside from that, it also prevents premature graying of your hair, and also it controls hair fall. So if you are struggling with hair fall, this is the oil to go to. So when it comes to hair growth, as you can see, I am adding in the ginger. So basically that's what I'm doing. I like to be extra when I'm doing something. So when it comes to promoting hair growth, I wouldn't say it has made my hair grow, because this is the first time I am doing it, and I have used this oil only once. And as you know and understand, when it comes to hair growth, it takes some time. So I wouldn't say I applied this oil on my scalp today and then tomorrow come out and say, oh my goodness, my hair has grown so long. That will be a lie. And the focus of my channel is to be real as much as possible, so that I can help someone out there who is struggling to grow their hair or just manage natural hair. So if you're looking for a channel where you can rely on information that is authentic and information that is the truth, then you are in the right place. This is the focus of my channel. So as you can see, it is already it is ready now. So basically I'm just going to strain the oil out. And guys, this oil is like, the smell is so good. It smells so nice. I like how the cloves smell. The smell is just so cute. So basically I'm straining out the oil, and then I'm gonna try and just apply to my scalp and massage my scalp, and I'll see what happens. When I experience good results, I'm gonna let you know in the next video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing for videos like this, because I am going to be coming with a detailed video about how this oil worked on my hair. So if you want to hear out the results from me, the most truthful results, then you need to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment in the comment section below, share with your friends, and in the next video I am gonna share my own opinion about everything. So the oil is ready. So I'm just pouring the oil in this bottle, and then we are going to try it on my hair. So I'm going to apply it on my scalp, and we will see what happens in the next few weeks and see if my hair is gonna grow or not. So this is the final result. This is how it looks like. It kind of looks like black castor oil, but it's not black castor oil. So if you have watched my video to this far and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay?
Sasa ni watu wangu. So this is the oil, this is the final product, and this is how it looks like, and it smells so cute. I like the smell here, especially with the combination of ginger. It smells so cute. So I decided to make this oil after I have watched a couple of videos about this oil, and also I did ask Google the benefits of clove oil to natural hair. So after reading and watching some content about it, I decided and said, who am I? Who am I not to make it? And who am I not to try it? And I'm here to make it, to show you, and to try it on my hair and to see if it works or it doesn't. Because I'll be telling you the truth, because it said it promotes hair growth. So for now, I'm not going to be saying, oh, my hair grew so much, so long. I'm not going to say that, because this is the first time I am trying this oil right now. So I'm going to give it a couple of weeks and see if my hair is going to grow even just an inch or a half an inch. I'll let you know. But basically, this is the process. So I'm going to add the oil here. I like using this one because this one is much easier to use than this one. So basically, when I put the oil in here like this, so I'm not going to use all of it. I'm gonna save some for another day. So when I put it here like this, basically what I do is just do like this. So I just do like this, and you massage generously to your scalp. So I am going to do that, and so I am going to be doing this, I think, on a daily basis, or maybe any time that is going to be convenient for me, and then see what happens. So this is how you make this oil, and let me know what you think about this video. If you have ever made this oil, comment down below, or if it is something you want to consider doing it, let me know. So this is it for this video, na asanteni sana kwa kutazama video yangu hadi sasa. Hadi wakati mwingine, kwaherini.